know, something how they're all huddled together. It's got to be for warmth, unless it's mealtime. I wonder where they sleep at night, if they all nest together like this, and that's how they sleep. This is really unusual. I should hold the camera the other way, you can see more of the birds. To a horizontal shot. Or vertical. What am I doing now? I don't even know. Don't mind me, I only slept about 2 hours last night. Vertical. Everybody's taking pictures of the birds. This is very unusual, seeing birds like this. I think it has to do with the cold. Oh man, he's a daredevil. He's going in the water. In this cold, he's going in the water. Check him out. Look at the guy. He's going in the water and it's just freezing cold. Woo! How could he do it? Oh my God, look at him. He ran by me with a big smile on his face. I was like, ooh. He was psyching himself up. Look at me. How the hell can he do that? It's so flippin' cold. I'm in a sweater and jeans. We went under the water too. Oh man, he's a daredevil, this guy. Now that's unbelievable. How can he stand it? Oh my God. Check him out. This is why I love Daytona Beach. You see some odd stuff down here. You can't make this stuff up. Hilarious. Oh my God. I don't know how guy could take that cold water. Woo! The birds are like cold. This guy's like unbelievable. It's coming out though now. It's like, oh, okay. I wish I shot him running by me. The look on his face was priceless. He was smiling, they were laughing, you know. The youth of our generation, I gotta tell you. That's like something one of my friends back in the day would have done, you know. I hope he doesn't get hypothermia. Oh, look, there he goes. Where's he going now? Look at him, check him out. This guy's a trip. He's warming himself up after being in that cold water. Don't tell me he's gonna go back in. You see the little birds? There goes the birds. He's running back. He's warming himself up. This guy's unbelievable.